afternoon to all of you. This is me, Diaco Vlogs here on my YouTube channel and Facebook page. And this Motor Expo 2025, last day ngayon dito sa SMX Convention. So kasama na natin na napaka-sexy, napakaganda at cosplay and model si Miss Sonata, guys.
I'm Sonica.
Ay, Sonata, sorry.
That's okay.
Mona, ano po ba rin?
Sonica.
Sonica, akala ko Sonata. sorry guys. Sonata pala. Okay. So, Miss ano pala ang age po nila ni Miss Monica?
What is mine?
Age.
Age!
Yes.
Secret. Kasi na lang pag sabihin yung minor ako, but I'm not. I'm legal na.
Okay. Make me guess. I think he's 24 years old, I think.
Malapit na, but that is.
Okay, so anyway, so ano ba? Okay, so ano ba kino-cosplay ni Miss Sonata ngayon?
I'm currently cosplaying po Link from Zelda, but the gender bent edition. Yung sexy version ko.
Wow naman. Look naman guys, tingnan naman ang kanya cosplay. Okay, napaka-engganyo, nakaka-attractive talaga guys. So, how does it feel ito ng pagiging isang model? I-share mo naman sa mga viewers natin dyan.
It's really fun. Like, I don't feel like working at all because I actually enjoy what I'm doing, especially cosplay and portraying characters. So, I'll keep on doing it.
Okay. So how does it feel and how can you manage with that? How can you manage for your
How can I manage?
Yes.
How can I manage? I think that is like, I wouldn't say time management because lagi ako nagkakagol sa time. So I would say like schedule ahead of time and then prepare your budget for anything that's like costume or
Okay.
miscellaneous, beauty stuff.
So that means that you're waiting for the consistent for all the things sa pagiging sa cosplay mo.
Yes, but I'm not focusing on this. I'm more on cosplay competition.
Okay. Aside from that, Miss Sonata, Sonica, aside from the cosplay, what else can you cosplay except this?
There's a lot of characters that I've cosplayed already. Lalo na One Piece, Prime Big Mom, Gohan, Nami, Robin, name it. Yes.
I have a suggestion for you to cosplay. Do you know what's a Morrigan in the Darkstalker? Do you know that?
I'm not familiar with the character, but the anime name, yeah, I'm familiar.
Okay. Morrigan is what you call the character of the Darkstalker in the Marvel Bros. Capcom.
Is there someone like na pwede ko i-cosplay?
Okay. But try mo yung Morrigan na Darkstalker.
Is it an anime or a game?
It's a game.
Game, so I will try it.
Okay. And then also sa Tekken. Do you know what's Tekken?
Yes, I know Tekken, Street Fighter.
Street Fighter. Wow. When it comes to Tekken, what is your favorite character?
Tekken, madami.
Marami.
I used to play like Tekken. Baka magkamali ako mapagkamali kasi Street Fighter sa Tekken.
I suggest.
Si Christy sa si Chloe. Lucky Chloe.
I Lucky Chloe in Tekken 7, right? I know. But I also a gamer in Tekken 7 and Street Fighter. The Street Fighter is Chun-Li and the Kami.
Yeah.
And then Laura in Street Fighter 5. I also use
Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat Scorpion and Liu Kang. This is my main character, Scorpion and Liu Kang. Raiden. So sakto lang. In the female is Kitana.
Kitana talaga yun. Kitana usually ang dami niya. But I would like to shout out kay Patrick kasi cosplayer siya ng Scorpion and Liu Kang. Like what you mentioned.
Shout out mo naman siya.
Shout out to you. See you ulit sa competition. Next week na labang kami.
Okay. So, Miss Sonita, ano ba ang final statistic ni Miss Sonita?
Ang final?
Vital statistic niya.
Final.
Yes.
37 or 38.
Wow.
27 or 26. Then 36.
Wow naman. Not-cool naman. Napaka-sexy naman. Kung titignan nyo guys, look at them. Alright. Okay. So, by the way, Miss Sonita, what is your Facebook page and Facebook and Instagram to all the followers of the viewers here?
You can follow me at Sonica Amaterasu and check on Facebook and Instagram and support my contester and cosplay journey. Thank you!
Thank you for Miss Sonita, ladies and gentlemen. Flying kiss for the viewers, guys. And heart, guys. And syempre tayo also. Okay. So, thank you. Bye-bye, Miss Sonita.
Bye!